We are about to start today's session with a topic to speak, that is Rajasthan. So, whatever you know about Rajasthan, you have to speak and in a limited time. Okay, not more than 3 minutes. So, I am starting with Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today, my topic is Rajasthan. So, first of all, Rajasthan is a state of India, and according to 2025, it has more than 50 states, and out of which the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, which was founded by Raja Swam Mansingh in in 19th century.
Hmm.
Sorry, in 17th century.
Uh,
And there are many places where we can visit in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is mainly known for its vast heritage and vast culture, as there are many places, many places in Rajasthan which all have different languages and different cultures, and many types of people come from all over the world to Rajasthan to discover the new things, and it is having the biggest desert of India, that is Thar Desert,
hmm.
and here in Rajasthan we can get all the types of resources, like get rivers in we can get rivers in Bharatpur, and we can get sand in Jaisalmer, and tourism places like many stadiums, hospitals, etc. in Jaipur. So we can say that Rajasthan is an overall combination of all the things. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Only in 1 minute and 15 seconds. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit, and today I'm going to tell you about Rajasthan. As you know, that Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and
थोड़ी
it is
स्पीड
also
कम करो, थोड़ी सी स्पीड कम करो,
yes,
थोड़ी
sir.
सी स्पीड कम करो, थोड़ी सी स्पीड कम करो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, can I start again?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit, and today I'm going to tell you about Rajasthan. As you know, that Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and it is known for its rich culture and heritage.
हमारा
We
फोन
can
दिखा
see
यार,
that in
पुराना वाला.
Rajasthan, there are a lot of types of people, and they have different languages, culture, and ethnicity. So Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur, which is also known as Pink City and the heart of Rajasthan. Jaipur, this Pink City was founded by Raja Swam Mansingh, and it is the most beautiful place in Rajasthan. And in Rajasthan, we can find many places like many monuments also, and its physical features are also very good. Like we can find rivers, deserts, mountains, plains in Rajasthan, and also Rajasthan have minerals that are important for the industrial development of Rajasthan, and the Rajasthan is developing day by day. People of India believe Rajasthan is backward and many back follow many backward things, like in India, like in Rajasthan, people of India believe that in Rajasthan people don't have education, but they are wrong in it. Our Rajasthan is India's most important and most beautiful state. It has many languages, which makes it very nice,
Hmm.
and that shows the culture of our Rajasthan. We welcome each and every person that comes in our state with the dialogue "Padaro Hamare Desh," and these types of and the copy of this dialogue is done by every state. So that shows the dominance of Rajasthan in India, and also in the wars, Rajasthan play an important. Rajasthan has an important specific location, and that helps India a lot in winning the wars. That's it.
Very good. In 2 minutes. Shabash. Gaurav.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I am Gaurav here. My today's topic is Rajasthan, my state. So, I live in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is a good state and also the biggest state in India. And it's it has a population of over uh, 4 crore, no, 10 crores, I think. And also, um, it is bigger than Germany and Switzerland,
Hmm.
not combined.
Hmm.
And Rajasthan has a very geographic importance in India, and because of their desert, Pakistani invaders can't invade India so easily, and the Indian soldiers get this advantage to defend India.
Hmm.
And also, it is located near Gujarat, where Arabian Sea is present, and there is very fertile soil in Rajasthan for agriculture. And also, but there is only one hill station in Rajasthan, Mount Abu, and it's quite popular and important for the state's GDP, because tourism in Rajasthan is very fluent and very active. There are lakhs of hotels. There are hundreds of thousands of hotels in Rajasthan, in Jaisalmer, Barmer, and Mount Abu, Jaipur,
Shabash.
and Ajmer, and many other important places and tourist attractions. And also, there are many temples in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan had a very rich history of Rajputs, Marwads, and Minas. And there are many castes, and the local language of Rajasthan is Rajasthani and Marwadi. And there are many villages which has their own cultures. And also, the capital of this state is Jaipur, which is one of the metropolitan cities of India and one of the developed cities in the world. And also, Rajasthan serves 10% of the India's GDP, which is too much. If you are thinking that's less,
Hmm.
you should think that what is India's GDP.
Hmm.
And also, India has India, sorry, not India. Rajasthan has an area of
Remain
I
only 30
think
seconds. Hurry up.
area of 30 million kilometers square. And also, Rajasthan has its own culture of and its traditional dance called Ghumar, and also its temples and forts gives it a very rich
Time is over.
historic.
Time is over. I warned you that you have only 30 seconds. Learn how to speak in a given time. Okay? Nice speaking, but learn it also to finish in given time. Yes, Harshit Maurya.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshad Maurya, and today I'm going to express my views on the topic Rajasthan. So, Rajasthan is the biggest state or largest state of India, and it is the northwestern part of India, having an area of about 34 lakh square kilometers. And Rajasthan is very famous for its heritage and geography. Like we can see that in Rajasthan there are many places to visit, and we can see that Rajasthan is one of the developed state if we look it according to its history.
Hmm.
And we can see that Rajasthan there were many things which are quite famous by now. Like we can see that the Ghumar dance and the richness of the Thar desert, and the forts which were made by the Rajput kings who took birth
Hmm.
on this place.
Hmm.
And we can see that Rajasthan has a great impact on the economy of India. Like it has many things to increase the economy of India. And we can see that Rajasthan produces many things which are quite important for India, and also for the people living in India. And we can see that the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, which was, I think, established by Raja Savai Jai Singh.
Hmm.
And and in Jaipur there are many developed things, and Jaipur is one of the developed district of Rajasthan. And at last, I would like to say that Rajasthan is the place of kings, and it was also the place of kings and will be. So that's it, sir.
Very good. In 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. शाबाश. गौरव ने आज इम्प्रूवमेंट था गौरव का आज थोड़ा सा स्पीकिंग में, लेकिन टाइम का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है गौरव तुम्हें नेक्स्ट टाइम. समझ गए ना बेटा? यस मीनू.
Hello everyone, myself Meenu. Today I am telling you about Rajasthan. There are many 28 states in India. Rajasthan is one of them, and it is the biggest state. Um, in Rajasthan, there are many things like historical places and deserts, rivers, temples. Everything we see in Rajasthan.
शाबाश शाबाश. वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोलो आराम से कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ.
In Rajasthan, especially in Jaipur, we see many historical places like Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, and temples also, Birla Mandir, like that. So foreigners are also foreign came here.
Foreigners.
Foreign come here to visit the historical places because they are interested what the history of the Rajasthan is India. Rajasthan folk dance is Ghumar, which is very popular, and foreigners are also interested to see the Ghumar because they see that something new. Rajasthan because in Rajasthan there is feelings to be Rajasthani. It is a great thing to it is a great thing to be Rajasthani.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा. हो गया? अरे और बोलते हैं अभी तो 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुए. चलो.
कितनी मिनट हुई है अभी?
ये तो 2 मिनट हुई है. 2 मिनट भी नहीं हुई.
नहीं क्या? रुको सर. And the Hindi is the language of Rajasthan. Many religious people live here. बस सर.
ओके कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा. वेरी गुड. ज्यादा बोलना अपने वो नहीं है, लेकिन अच्छा बोला, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना बेटा. यही बात होती है. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir Sahu. I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from with B20. Today's my topic is Apno Rajasthan. As we all know that
शाबाश शाबाश.
we live in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan has so many great things. Its culture, its dance, its food, etc. These are so beautiful and tasty. As we all know that its traditional dresses is famous in all over the world, and its culture and its food is and its traditional food is dal bati churma, which is so tasty, and we all eat it with very joy. And as we know that Rajasthan is the biggest. Rajasthan has the largest land in India. We can see that.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है. शाबाश बोल.
We can see that Rajasthan is famous in all over the world, and tourists come here to visit Jaipur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Savai Madhopur, etc. We can see that there is desert and also many fountains. If we want to see desert, we can go in Jaisalmer and Barmer, and if we want to see fountain, we can go in Savai Madhopur.
शाबाश यार, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश बोल बेटा.
As we all know that Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur, and Jaipur is also called Pink City. There are many, and Rajasthan is divided into many districts, and each district have different color.
Has.
Each district has different color, like Jaipur has pink and other etc. uh, and as we yes sir, that's it.
Very good. Shabash. 2 minutes. Okay. Very good. Now, Rakshit. Yes, come on,
Yes,
Rakshit.
sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is Rajasthan. As we all know that Rajasthan is our state, and it is the biggest state of India according to the area. And we know that Rajasthan plays a very important role in all the aspects in India, and like Rajasthan contributes very much to the GDP of India and to agricultural practices in India. And we know that the and we know that the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, that is also known as Pink City. And Rajasthan is famous for different things. One of the biggest thing is tourism and the cultural heritage of Rajasthan, like
Shabash, shabash.
like the local language of Rajasthan is Marwadi, Dundadi, Rajasthani. These language are mostly spoken in Rajasthan with Hindi, and and Rajasthan, and in Rajasthan there different folk songs are performed on festivals, on the occasion of festivals like Kalbelia, Ghumar, etc. These are one of the famous folk dances of Rajasthan. And and Rajasthan and in Rajasthan there are many different tourism places, like Jaipur is one of the biggest spot for tourism, and also Jaisalmer, Udaipur, Kota, and there are and there are different places to be visited as tourism in Rajasthan. And there are many spiritual places also in Rajasthan, like Khatu Shyamji, Ramdevra, and in Bikaner there is the temple of Karni Mata and Pushkar. And at these places you can go for worshipping gods and goddesses of our religion. And so Rajasthan is one of the beautiful state in India. So that's it.
Very good. 2.5 minutes. शाबाश. बहुत होते हैं एक्चुअली. 3 मिनट बहुत होते हैं आपको. जब अपन किसी ग्रुप में बैठे होते हैं ना, तो वहां 3 मिनट बहुत होते हैं. इससे ज्यादा नहीं मिल सकता. एक 1.5 मिनट मिलते हैं. बोलो, उसी में वो जज कर लेते हैं आपको. यस, कम ऑन अनुज.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is Rajasthan. That is our state we live in. Rajasthan is one of the biggest state in India according to area. It covers a lot of area of India.
शाबाश. अच्छा, कम बोलो, अच्छे से बोलो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी आप.
And there are a lot of districts in Rajasthan, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, in which we live. And the chief minister, the current chief minister of Rajasthan is Bhajanlal Sharma. And the Rajasthan is known as for its rich culture and heritage.
शाबाश, very good. ऐसे.
And the districts make it Rajasthan. Like there are a lot of famous districts are known in all over the world, like Udaipur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Ajmer, etc. And different districts have their different identification. Like Jaipur is known as Jaipur is also known as Pink City. Jodhpur is known as Blue City, and Jaisalmer is known as the Golden City, and Udaipur is known as the City of Lakes, and many more. And we have one and only things in our state, like or in even Jaipur, like we have the biggest cinema here called Rajmandir Cinema in Jaipur. We have the we have the most expensive hotel in Jaipur, like called Rambagh Palace. We have the biggest circle in Asia called Jawar Circle, and many more things. And there are a lot of temples are famous all over the India, like Govind Dev Ji Temple, the most famous temple in Jaipur, and there are many fests in India, and the Pushkar fest is going on at this time.
Very good.
Yes. And there is a famous line in Rajasthan to welcome our guests. That is Padharo Mare Desh.
Shabash.
And
बहुत अच्छा explanation बेटा. Very
there
good.
is a special and in Rajasthan there used to be a vehicle. So behind the vehicle, something is written that was या तो यहीं चालली. That's it. Sir.
Very good. हाँ. शाबाश बेटा बोलो. क्या हुआ? Time is over. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Time is over बेटा. अच्छा बोला तुमने. Very good यार. Nice speaking. Keep it up. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and it was established 1 November 1956 and
On 1st November. हाँ. आगे बोलो.
on 1st November, and the Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur, and Jaipur is also known as Pink City, and all districts have own significant, and
Very good.
and Jaisalmer is known as Golden City, and Udaipur is also known as the Lake of City.
Shabash.
And
City of Lakes.
yes, sir, the City of Lake. And in Chittorgarh, there are many forts
Forts.
and
ध्यान रखो थोड़ा.
many forts, and Rajasthan is one of popular for tourism, and many
Popular
tourists.
city. Popular state बोलो. One of
Yes, sir.
popular states. तभी आएगा ना. हाँ. आगे बोलो. हाँ.
Yes,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं.
One of popular state, and many tourists come to see Rajasthan, and
तू सी की जगह to visit Rajasthan.
yes, sir.
हाँ.
And Rajasthani language is spoken in Rajasthan,
हाँ. शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया.
and there and it is a beautiful state, and Rajasthan is famous for historical places.
Places. Singular plural का ध्यान रखो.
Yes, sir. Places,
हाँ.
art and culture,
हाँ. Focus करो बेटा. हाँ.
and in Rajasthan, Jaipur is a beautiful for its fort and temples.
Beautiful नहीं, famous. Jaipur is famous.
Yes,
For
sir.
its
Jaipur is
हाँ.
famous.
हाँ. बोलो बोलो.
And Mount Abu is one of the place
शाबाश शाबाश.
where is a cool climate, and many tourists come there
10 seconds
to
more. Hurry up.
to see the Mount Abu, and all, and Alwar is also known as Siriska tiger, preserve.
टाइम इज ओवर. मैंने कहा था ना 10 सेकंड रह गए, तो आपको उसी हिसाब से खत्म करने की तैयारी कर लेनी चाहिए थी ना.
Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
तो वो भी अच्छा नहीं होता ना कि अपन जब आपको हम वार्न कर रहे हैं कि यू हैव ओनली 10 सेकंड्स, तो
Yes,
खत्म
sir.
करने की तैयारी करो ना उसको. फिर आप समझो ना इस बात को, भाई क्यों आपको वार्न किया जा रहा है कि खत्म भी करना चाहिए उसको, खाली शुरू करना नहीं होता. खत्म भी अच्छे से करना चाहिए कि लगे कि हाँ यार बात खत्म हो गई. जैसे कि अभी सुना होगा आपने, और भी लोग कहते हैं कि दैट्स इट. तो
Yes,
समझ
sir.
रहे हैं ना, यानी बीच में ऐसा नहीं लगे कि बीच में छूट गया अपना. तो जब वार्न किया जा रहा है तो उस समय थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है बेटा. ओके कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Technical Classes from batch 11, and today our topic is Rajasthan. We all know that Rajasthan is the largest state and the biggest state in our India, and it has most beautiful history, and we all know that it has the most beautiful history, and it is the largest part of our India, and it covers
शाबाश, ऐसे फोकस
it
करो.
covers three lakhs 42,239 square kilometers, and it is the biggest part of our India, and it is very beautiful, and it has many districts like Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Barmer,
हाँ,
Jaipur, etc.
शाबाश.
And Jaipur is the very beautiful and non district, and it is called also Pink City and Golden Bird also.
हाँ,
And it has many beautiful and historical places like Jantar
शाबाश.
Mantar, Hawa Mahal,
Very good.
and it has many temples like Govind Dev Ji temple and Ganesh Ji temple, etc. And all temples and historical places are very beautiful and historical full. And we all know
हिस्टोरिकल
that
फुल
there
नहीं.
are
हाँ
different.
हिस्टोरिकल. हाँ बोलो. हाँ
Okay, sir. And we all know that Rajasthan has also many districts like Udaipur, Jaisalmer, etc. And it all districts have own history and
शाबाश.
beautiful. And like in the Rajasthan, there are many lakes, there are many forts, and there are many beautiful animals, and there are many beautiful flowers, and most and Rajasthan has national flower. It is Rohira, and we know
Very
that
good.
Rajasthan national food is dal bati churma, and it is very comfort and beautiful and famous food for our Rajasthanis. And we know that in our foreigners are come to our
आर
Rajasthan,
कम
and
क्यों कम आएगा, खाली आर कैसे आएगा बेटा. फोकस करो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा.
okay, sir, sorry, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, ध्यान
And
दे बेटा थोड़ा सा. हाँ
they like very much our Rajasthan's culture, and because it has very beautiful culture.
30
And
seconds
we are
only. Yes. हाँ
okay, sir. And we should visit our Rajasthan, and it is very beautiful, and we should proud of our Rajasthan. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. 2 and 45 minutes. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Very good. Yes, now I am calling Khushi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about Rajasthan. As you know that Rajasthan is the largest state of India.
Hmm.
It is famous for its culture and Havelis, forts, etc. Rajasthan has many forts like Jaigarh, Nargad Fort, and Amer Fort, and Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur, and Chittorgarh Fort, etc.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. ऐसे बोलो. वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला करो. बोलो आराम से, जितना है उतना बोलो. 1 मिनट ही बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. Rajasthan has many Havelis, and they have become heritage, and Rajasthan has many lakes, and Rajasthan has a lot of things like mountains, deserts, and uh,
Hmm.
and lakes, etc.
Hmm.
And the capital of the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Jaipur has many many beautiful place. Many tourists come to visit there, and and Rajasthan is famous for its lok nritya like Ghumar
Hmm.
and Gher,
Folk dances.
etc.
Folk dance. हाँ आगे बोलो.
Folk dance.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. And Rajasthan is famous for its delicious food, dal bati churma, and and Rajasthan has uh, Rajasthan has 41 districts
Hmm.
in present time, and and
Time is over. अच्छा आज तुमने
that's it.
बहुत अच्छी आपने वो कोशिश की आज बहुत अच्छे से तुमने परफॉर्म किया आज keep it up है ना बेटा हाँ ऐसे बस घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी सही गलत ज्यादा मत सोचा करो सोचना है लेकिन इतना ज्यादा नहीं सोचना कि अपन बोल ही नहीं पाए काजल आजा बेटा
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today our topic is Rajasthan. As we all know that Rajasthan is the largest state of India, and it is famous for its heritage sites and historical places and folk dances. And we all know that the capital of the capital of the Rajasthan is Jaipur, and Rajasthan is Rajasthan has many districts like Dholpur, Udaipur, Jaipur, etc. And all districts has their own beauty, and they famous for for their own history. And we all know that the famous food of Rajasthan is dal bati churma, and the Rajasthani language is spoken in Rajasthan, and Marathi also.
Hmm.
And Rajasthan is the very beautiful state, and many foreigner came here to visit
foreigners come here present में चल रहा है हाँ
here to visit, and and they visited all the Rajasthan, and they like Rajasthan so much, and we also like Rajasthan, and we all know that Rajasthan is the very beautiful state for India, and it is known as the land of kings due to there are so many forts in Rajasthan, and their and and all forts are their own history, and
करनी have their own history हाँ Hmm.
have their own history. And in Rajasthan we can see many temples and many traditions, and Rajasthan famous for
Rajasthan
his
is famous हाँ वर्ब लगाओ हाँ
Rajasthan is famous for his uh, heritage sites and art and craft, and also their his culture,
its
and
culture his नहीं its culture
also its culture. And Rajasthan is the
10
very
seconds only yes
very beautiful state. That's it, sir.
सो एकदम से ऐसे नहीं, मतलब फिर थोड़ा सा एक सेंटेंस बोल के. सो वी कैन से दैट राजस्थान इज अ वेरी ग्रेट स्टेट. इस तरह के किसी सेंटेंस से खत्म करें अपन उसको, है ना. थोड़ा सा वो चीजें अपने को लर्न करनी. कहीं पर भी अपन बोल रहे हो तो कैसे अपन उसको कैसे खत्म करें कि भाई हाँ एक तरीके से खत्म, एकदम से नहीं, एकदम से नहीं. ये सीखना आपको, थोड़ा सा करोगे आप तो हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे ना. यस, आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Dhanavat, and I am the student Rahman on the interactive classes from B20. Today's our topic is Rajasthan.
हाँ.
As you all know that we all live in Rajasthan, and this is very historical state, and it is very largest state in our India. And
वेरी नहीं, लार्जेस्ट
so
आ गया ना,
many.
फिर वेरी की क्या जरूरत है. लार्जेस्ट तो सबसे बड़ा होता है ना, तो वेरी का कहाँ जरूरत पड़ गई आपको इसमें. यहाँ पर द लार्जेस्ट बोल दो, खत्म हो गई, वो तो सबसे बड़ा हो गया ना, फिर वेरी की कहाँ जरूरत है. आगे बोलो बेटा, ध्यान दो थोड़ा सा, बोलो आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. And so many tourists come here to see Lal Killa, Jantar Mantar, and other things
आराम से
because
धीरे धीरे. हाँ.
because Jantar Mantar is a place where we can study, we can
शाबाश.
see planets and study of these planets, and this is very confusing thing.
हाँ.
All tourists who cannot understand how to understand this Jantar Mantar. Only Rajasthan and Rajasthan king and other kings can learn this Jantar Mantar because
कुड
because
कैन क्यों आएगा, कुड आएगा ना जब पास्ट का बोल रहे हो सेंटेंस आप.
they could learn this thing.
हाँ.
And Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, and all beautiful places are here.
शाबाश शाबाश.
And Jaisalmer is very nice place because it is in Rajasthan, and their people is very are very useful for us because they made kacha house and
Made नहीं, make. हाँ.
is make kacha house, and never thieves come there because it is very safe place in Rajasthan.
यस कम ऑन. टाइम खत्म होने वाला है, 20 सेकंड बचे हैं बस. हाँ.
Yes, sir. But why tourists come here? It is very big reason because so many mysteries are here, and never anyone find these mysteries. Yes, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. आज बहुत अच्छे से तुमने कोशिश की. ऐसे फोकस करके कोशिश किया करो. जब तुमसे कहते हैं कि अच्छे से कोशिश करो तभी करते हो, हैं. अच्छे से फोकस किया करो बेटा थोड़ा सा. बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने आज. वेरी गुड. विपिन.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is my state. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as the Pink City.
धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस. हाँ.
Rajasthan has 41 districts.
ऐसे धीरे धीरे. हाँ.
Rajasthan population are about 8.5.
नहीं is. हाँ बोलो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
Rajasthan population is about 8.54 crore.
हाँ. शाबाश. ऐसे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोलो.
Of Rajasthan, and Dausa is the smallest district of Rajasthan.
शाबाश. ऐसे वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा. वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोलो. शाबाश.
There are many beautiful forts in Rajasthan like Udaipur Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, etc.
शाबाश शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है बेटा, वेरी गुड, बोलता रहे बेटा.
There are many castes in Rajasthan like Meena, Rajput, Madhwa,
हाँ,
etc.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ,
Rajasthan has सर महान योद्धा को क्या बोलेंगे?
ग्रेट वॉरियर्स.
Great warriors born in Rajasthan
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बोल बेटा बोल.
like Maharana Pratap, Amar Singh and Rana Uday Singh.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. हाँ,
Rajasthan situated.
it
Rajasthan
situated
Rajasthan is situated north and west
in north
in
and west.
India.
हाँ,
In India.
हाँ.
Rajasthan is the agricultural state.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा है बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सुनने में, बोल बेटा.
सर आकार को क्या बोलेंगे?
साइज,
आकार.
साइज, साइज.
Rajasthan size is kite size.
ओके, वेरी गुड, ठीक है. 20 सेकंड बचे हैं बस, खत्म करने की तैयारी करो. हाँ,
Rajasthan and Rajasthan is very most beautiful state. That's
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला यार आज तो तुमने, वेरी गुड, मजा आ गया बेटा आज तो तुम्हें, बहुत कम गलती ना के बराबर, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस, बहुत शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है बेटा. यस, अनु, जयराम जी की कहाँ है? जयराम जी की, आ जाओ,
Sir, hello.
आ जाओ बेटा.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My today's topic is Rajasthan.
हाँ,
As you know, Rajasthan is a state. It has many languages. Some main languages are Hindi, Rajasthani, Marathi, etc. Rajasthan has many tourist attractions
शाबाश,
like
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ,
like Red Fort, Amir Fort, and many other
शाबाश,
things.
वेरी. हाँ,
Famous food of Rajasthan is dal bati shurma. It prepared very well in Rajasthan.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे धीरे. हाँ,
Traditional dress of Rajasthan is dhoti, kurta. The folk dance of Rajasthan is Kabelia.
कालबेलिया. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही बेटा, धीरे धीरे बोल, बहुत टाइम है, चिंता मत कर. हाँ, बोल आराम से, तसल्ली से. हाँ,
Mostly everyone speak Rajasthani in Rajasthan.
शाबाश.
The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as Pink City. Jaipur also has many tourist attractions like Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, etc. There are many districts in Rajasthan like Udaipur, Jaipur, Kota, etc. Rajasthan is famous for its historical places.
आवाज बेटा. हाँ, 30 seconds more. हाँ, बोल 30 seconds more. बोल बेटा, शाबाश, बोल, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही.
Dress of Rajasthan is Ghagra Choli. Mostly ladies in Rajasthan wear Lehenga Choli.
10 seconds. खत्म करने की तैयारी करो बेटा. हाँ.
At the last, I would to say, Rajasthan is my favorite state.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. आज बहुत दिनों के बाद कहता था ना बेटा, आ जाओ उसमें. आज बहुत दिनों के बाद तूने एकदम तेरा फोकस, कॉन्फिडेंस, विदाउट एनी एजिटेशन. शाबाश बेटा. कीप इट अप. यस. अंजू.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the biggest state of India. Rajasthan have its own culture. Rajasthan
तसल्ली से
have
बहुत टाइम है. ग्रामेटिकल ध्यान से. वो बहुत टाइम है बेटा. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है ना. आराम से ग्रामर का ध्यान रखते हुए क्या आएगा कैसे आएगा. बोल बेटा बोल.
Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, there is biggest desert
शाबाश.
in
ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से सोच
of
के.
India.
हाँ ऐसे. वेरी गुड. धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से आराम से. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. बहुत टाइम है बेटा.
Rajasthan's cultural dress is dhoti kurta for men and lehenga chunni for women.
शाबाश. ऐसे तो दूर रह. पास मत आ इसके. बोल बेटा तू बोल. दूर है किसको. तू बोल. तेरा बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. शाबाश. ऐसे फोकस कर करके बोल. ध्यान से धीरे धीरे. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. बोल बेटा.
Rajasthan has quite good quality of education.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. ऐसे देख कितना अच्छा बोल रही है. आजा.
There are thousands of sports in Rajasthan.
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
There are many castes like Meenas, Rajputs, etc.
शाबाश. ऐसे बोल धीरे धीरे. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. शाबाश. ऐसे ही. हाँ.
Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as Pink City. In Rajasthan, lady wear gold things because in Rajasthan is rich in gold and history.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Rajasthan's cultural food is dal bati churma. Dal bati churma made on any special occasion or happy occasion.
शाबाश. हाँ.
In Rajasthan, there are lakhs of hotels. There are many cities in Rajasthan like Jaipur, Ajmer, Udaipur, Sikar and Mount Abu. There is one hill station. There
20 seconds more. फटाफट से खत्म करने की तैयारी करो. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. हाँ.
One hill station is Mount Abu.
खत्म करने की तैयारी करो बेटा. हाँ.
In Rajasthan,
टाइम इज ओवर. मैंने कहा था ना खत्म करने की तैयारी करो. उसी समय आपको कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंसेस एक दो बोल करके खत्म कर देना चाहिए था. ओके. लेकिन बहुत अच्छा बोला. बस टाइम हो गया तुम्हारा. बहुत अच्छा बोला. वेरी गुड. नाइस परफॉर्मेंस. शाबाश बेटा. ऐसे ही रहा करो हमेशा. ठीक है ना. नीचे मत जाया करो. बहुत जल्दी नीचे चले जाते हो. 3 दिन में वापस पलटा खा जाते हो तुम. यस. कम ऑन वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi, and today our topic is आप know Rajasthan.
शाबाश.
And you know that in India there are 29 states and 7 UTs, and Rajasthan is the largest state, and its capital is Jaipur, which we live in, and its traditional dress is dhoti kurta, and especially women wear Rajputi dresses, and its traditional dance is Ghumar, and its traditional food is dal bati churma, and in Rajasthan there are many forts like Udaipur Fort, Chittor Fort, Amer Killa, etc. And Savai Jai Singh was the king of Jaipur, and and uh, and Jaipur is called the Pink City, and I love my state so much, and I love its culture,
Very good. Shabash beta.
heritage,
Aram.
its culture, heritage, etc. And there is a Thar desert, and
ये नहीं, there is Thar desert, the Thar desert. ये नहीं लगाना है.
there is the Thar. Okay, sir.
हाँ.
There is the Thar desert, and there are many districts like Jaisalmer, Bardmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, etc. And Jaisalmer is called the Golden City, and Udaipur is called City of Lakes, and in Jaipur there are many tourist places like Hawa Mahal, Amer Killa, Moti Dungri, Birla Mandir, Jantar Mantar, etc. And
30 seconds more. खत्म करने की तैयारी करो. हाँ.
and
अच्छे से आना चाहिए. Concluding. हाँ.
and Rajasthan is very Rajasthan's old name is Rajputana, and many kings fought. Many kings fought for their state, and there are many castes like Rajput, Meena, and Mewar, etc. Yes, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बेटा. Very good. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Simran. आ जाओ बेटा.
Sir. Hello and good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about Rajasthan. As well, you know that Rajasthan is a large state of India, and there are many places, and many famous historical places and spiritual places, and there are tradition and culture, etc. There are there is situated Thar Marustal, and it is one in the Asia, and there are many spiritual places like
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही बेटा. ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल. तसल्ली से. कोई मत घबरा. बहुत टाइम है. हाँ. थोड़ा ही बोल लेंगे. अच्छा बोले बेटा. हाँ.
and etc. and there are the Rajasthan capital is Jaipur, and it is also called Pink City.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया.
And जो Ranthambore Savai Madhopur is known Tiger City.
As Tiger City. हाँ.
Is Tiger City, and Jaisalmer is known Golden City, and
as
it is
Golden City. हाँ. As Golden City.
Okay, sir. And it is famous for Havelis
शाबाश.
and
30
uh,
seconds.
Jodhpur is called Blue City. And as well, that Rajasthan is very rich for
10 seconds. 10 seconds. खत्म करने की तैयारी करो. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो.
we can see that Rajasthan is very rich for heritage and historical. So we should also proud of Rajasthan. That's it.
शाबाश. बहुत खत्म बहुत अच्छे से किया तुमने. शाबाश बेटा, आज बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. सुन लेना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग. ये ऐसे इसको कांस्टेंट रखो, थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंसी रखो. इस पैटर्न पे कंसिस्टेंसी रखो आप. ठीक है ना? तसल्ली से आराम से, चाहे कम बोलो तो धीरे धीरे अपने आप रूटीन में आ जाएगा बेटा. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.